Good afternoon. My name is Kathy James, and I live in Columbus, Georgia. I'm from Phoenix City, Alabama, which is about maybe 5 or 10 minutes from where I'm currently living. I have 2 kids and 6 grandkids. I have custody of my older grandson. I gained custody of him when he was the age of 17 months old due to the fact his mother boyfriend put him in a tub of boiling water and burnt him waist down. Due to the trauma, he has a lot of emotional issues. He's currently 21 years old, but he has a mind of maybe a 16-year-old. I took up human services with the goal of becoming a case manager so I can help cancer patient or either mental health patient. Currently, I'm a client support worker. I have one client, which is 88 years old. Some days are good and some days are bad with her. Some days she want to live, some days she want to die. And that sometimes can cause some emotion, but I try to keep her encouraged. Well, her biggest issue is being lonely. Her family doesn't live in Georgia, and they don't seem to have time for her because everybody works. And she just really, they send her a lot of gifts, but a lot of times she don't want to give. She really want to be with the family. If you have any elderly people in your life, take out time to visit them. They really don't want the gift. They want to see you. When I finished my degree, my goals is to become a case manager for either cancer patient or mental health patient. The reason for that, I have been the cancer patient, I have been the patient and the caregiver. And I think I know what the resources that the caregiver or the patient need. And my self-care is basically reading the Bible, going to church regularly, and drumming. I took a course in drumming, and that's my stress releaser. And my person that inspired me the most is my best friend, my sister in Christ, Tawana. Tawana has answer for everything. I don't think she'd be stressed. You would never know she's stressed. She just smooth lady. And she's worked at the local hospital caring for COVID-19 patients right now. And I want to pray every individual, doctor, nurse, EMT, anybody that working with the patient right now, I pray for your protection and that God will heal our land. And I think that's about it. And you just have a blessed day. This is my second video because my first video, I don't know what happened to it, but everybody have a blessed day. Thank you.